In this video, I'll give you instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called Simple Tabs Manager. Simple Tabs Manager is the unwanted extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This extension is spread through integration with many free applications. In many cases, users download and install it unintentionally. This extension may operate as a browser hijacker and as adware by displaying the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements. Also, when you submit some search queries, you may sometimes notice that the results are delivered by some other unwanted search engines. To remove this extension, access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. So disable and remove this extension from your browser. To make sure that your system is free of other threats, I would recommend you to research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin investigating your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.